Tonight on Survival Cooking, I'm having diced ham and cheese, of course, and sliced carrots. So here goes the diced ham. Very nice. And some mustard. I like mustard with ham. Cheese. And there goes my fork. And some carrots. Gently now. Okay, I'm going to push all the stuff down. I got to looking at my cup and looking at it pretty nasty, but it's like the cup that you keep making tea in or coffee or hot chocolate. It gets pretty crusty and stained, but it's still the one that you use. So, seeing as I don't have a sink or means of washing this thing, I just cook new stuff on top of the old stuff. Okay, I'm going to put this in the microwave for a minute and check it, and put it in for a minute and check it. It's probably 3 times, 4 times. The camera won't stay on pause that long, so I'll just have to make little segments. Okay, into the microwave. Oh yeah, let's go around again. It's getting there, but I'm going to do another minute. Now this ham doesn't taste like good deli ham, but it's not bad considering it's protein and it's in a can, and we're just cooking for something to eat. So, there you go. Okay, it's had 3 minutes, which is what I heat up my water for coffee. So that should be pretty good to being hot. It feels hot on my fingers. I'm going to put my piece of American cheese on there and give it another minute. Okay, and there you have survival diced ham and carrots and cheese.